Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can apply a tempered glass to your display. Now I do have a tempered glass, an actual tempered glass right here, and I do have some kind of crap that they're selling as a ceramic foil. If you have something like this, I would probably say throw it out or return it if you can. The ceramic foil, number one, any kind of tiniest debris under it will just create air bubbles, which is absolutely freaking annoying. And number two, I just don't like these poor attempts at scamming people. There is no ceramic in here, it's just a plastic screen protector. That's basically the gist of it. Calling it a ceramic foil is absolute BS. Eat that to the side, and I'm just gonna stick with this, which is an actual tempered glass. Now, with your tempered glass, you should have wet and, come on, there we go, and dry wipe, like this one. We also get this little thingy, so we do have, you can just peel that off, and it's a sticky sticker that you can place on a display to remove any kind of dust. I'll be utilizing them, I mean, at least this one. I'm not going to be using the guide stickers. The way you use them is you just place it on here, like on the display, and then when you apply the tempered glass and it doesn't fit correctly, you can just kind of lift them up. This will lift up the actual tempered glass, and you can just realign it if it wasn't correctly on there. The way I apply my glass usually means that my tempered glass sits almost perfectly, so I don't really need that. So that's why I'm not going to be using it. Now, with the wet and dry wipes, you can use them if you want to, or you could just use something like a microfiber cloth, and it's going to work just as good, if not better, which is what I will be using for this. But if you're planning to use this, because it came with the tempered glass, you'd start off with the wet one, obviously wipe it down using the wet wipe, and then using the dry wipe, just clean it off. Now, the reason why I'm not going to be using it is because the size for this is absolutely just stupidly small. What am I supposed to do with this? So anyway, oh, and one more thing, when it comes down to the solution that they use on this wet wipe, it leaves smudges, which I don't really like. Even when you're wiping it down with a this dry wipe, it still just keeps the kind of like smudges on the screen. Something that I just don't like, so I prefer to use a microfiber cloth. So now, with that being said, you want to clean off your display with from all the smudges. Now, once that's done, set it to the side. You will later on also want to make sure that there is no dust, but I'm going to touch upon that later. Right now I'm going to touch upon how I actually apply my tempered glass. Now, in terms of the iPhone ones, you do have this tiny little cutout right here. As you can see, it's the only difference between the bottom. So you will want to place this to the top. This is where the microphone would be. So just make sure you align it correctly. Now, when it comes down to applying a tempered glass, I do it usually without a case, but for some people it might be easier with the case. It gives you kind of like this bumper area, so tempered glass will just have to literally fall on the display and won't go outside of it. If it goes outside, it won't stick to the display, so you can just lift it up and realign it. And the way I would usually apply my tempered glass is at an angle, so I'll just kind of hold it like this. And by doing so, I would make sure that it's aligned correctly on the top. So both sides, while pinching it, like I am right now, as you can see. I will then also, while pinching the tempered glass, I can feel the display and make sure that it's positioned correctly to the left or right. And once it is, I can apply pressure on the top and then slowly start lowering it. And with the same kind of feel, I can make sure that it's aligned the left or right correctly. Once it is, I can just fully drop it, and it should be sitting smack in the middle of the display. So anyway, now let's actually make sure that nothing is on the display again, because I did mess it up just a little bit. You can also use this little sticker So if you have some kind of dust, just get rid of it. There we go. And now let's apply our tempered glass. So as you can see, it's right now sticking. And there we go, it's perfectly under. It's nicely evenly spaced out, as you can see. So there we go, as you can see, pretty easy. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.